Hello and welcome to our video today on being able to draw 3D shapes and including plans and elevations. To start with, we're going to look at the names of some of these shapes because they may be familiar to you, but also to get them clear. We've got a triangle based pyramid. It's a pyramid just with a triangle bottom on it. We've got a cube where all the faces are exactly the same. They're all squares. A cuboid can be made up of rectangles and squares, but the 6 faces. You've got a square based pyramid. Again, instead of the triangle base, it's got a square base. A triangular prism is just like a Toblerone. If you chop it anywhere along it, along the way of it, it'll still be exactly the same shape. It's got a triangle at one end and it's made up of rectangles, 5 faces in it. A cylinder, again, we've got a circular face round it and we've got 2 circles on either end, so that's a cylinder. We've got a cone, which is a bit like a pyramid, but we will not ever go and order a circular based pyramid when we go for ice cream. We'll always ask for a cone, won't we? And we've got a sphere, which is basically a ball. So we've got, those are the names of the 3D shapes if you ever ask them. But let's have a look at this thing, plans and elevations. Here I've got a building, a shape here, and you've got different dimensions to it. We've got a plan view, a side view, and a front view. A plan view is always looking down from the top, and then which in this case, if we look down from the top, we will just see a rectangle and we'll have it shaped like that. We've also got a side elevation where we're just looking on one angle of the thing, and we see there we've got a sloped roof as part of that shape. And we've also got a front elevation, which is just like 3 squares in this case. So we can see things from different angles, from a plan elevation, a side elevation, and a front elevation. Let's have a look at another example here. We've got this shape here, and we've got to decide which one of these 3 drawings is the plan view, the side elevation, and the front elevation. Well, if we look at it very carefully, our side elevation, if we look to the side, we're just looking at 3 rectangles in front of us. With our plan view, we're looking at 1 wider rectangle and 2 shorter ones when we're looking down from above. And our front elevation, we're looking at this skewed shape like this because that is the angle we're looking at it. I hope that's helped you with plans and elevations, with plan views, side views, front views, because that is the way we can view shapes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're able to complete the work that goes with this video. Thank you for watching today.